Hi, my name's Dr. Jenny Wakely. I'm a GP working in the NHS and I also specialise in dermatology. I also run a company called The Beauty Doctor, which specialises in cosmetic treatments and dermatological advice. So I'm here today to talk to you about dark circles under the eyes and how to get rid of them. So there are two main causes of dark circles. One is a darker pigmentation under the eye, and that's usually because of an increased amount of pigment cells in the surface of the skin, caused by either genetics, sun damage, the pill, or pregnancy. The second most common cause is basically a very, very mild version of bruising, whereby there's some very superficial capillaries just under the surface of the skin which leak blood, very, very small amounts of blood, and that causes a sort of purpley look to the under eye area. You'd be glad to know that if it's a genetic cause, then that's the easiest to treat. One of the other causes is actually deep set eyes, so that makes the area under the eye look very dark. Unfortunately, if it's because of deep set eyes, then your best way to get rid of them is to camouflage using makeup. So if you're a pale skin or Caucasian skin, then the best is to use a yellowy tinge to try and counteract the purpley tinge. If you're darker skinned, brown Asian type skin, then the best is to use an orange based makeup, and if you're Afro-Caribbean type skin, then the best is to use a reddish tinge to your makeup before putting your foundation on top. So for pigmentation under the eyes, I find the best way is to use a vitamin C eye cream that has the effect of very, very gently taking away the pigment in the skin surface area, reducing the activity of the melanin pigment producing cells, and that works very, very well with something called an argy peel, which is again a very, it's not even a peel, it's a very, very weak amino acid, and that is just a gel which you can either use at home, or I would probably advise seeing someone who specialises in this first, so that they can do it first and then teach you how to do it at home if you feel comfortable. Putting on the vitamin C eye patches helps, because when you use the argy peel, that actually takes off the dead skin layer on top of the skin, and that increases the absorption of the vitamin C on the eye patch. And then in between the treatments of the argy peel and vitamin C eye patches, you then use the vitamin C cream. For dark circles caused by broken or fragile capillaries, I recommend Sesderma K-Vit eye cream, or something with vitamin K in it. That actually is very, very helpful for bruises. It helps the bruises heal, and it will reduce the fragility of the capillaries. You also need to reduce the sun exposure to the eye area to prevent any sun damage, which will make the darkening worse as well. So I hope this has been helpful in helping to reduce the dark circles under the eyes, and thank you very much for listening.